Recording now.
Okay.
What'd you say?
I said, I know who you're dating. It's your mom.
He thinks you're dating my mom.
And then you go, honey, let's go to the school dance. Oh, okay, that sounds great. Whatever you say, Mom.
His future wife.
This is outrageously creepy.
Please, you should have looked in the mirror.
Oh my gosh. Yes, we're posting this on YouTube.
Okay.
No, don't.
Oh, and we'll just edit that part out.
Yeah, we'll edit the part out.
Because if you don't, I'm suing you.
You can't sue us. You're a minor.
I can for illegally posting my face on YouTube.
We didn't post your face. We posted
Your face.
Showing my face.
Dude,
on
you're a
YouTube,
minor.
I don't
You
want
can't sue anything. You don't have a lawyer. You don't have legal
I
rights to
can.
sue.
Actually, you
No,
have
they
the rights,
can't.
but
Yes,
you don't
they
have.
can.
He has the rights to liberty.
Yeah, he has the right to a lawyer. So even if he doesn't have a lawyer, the government will give him a lawyer.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah, but if you sue us, I have a better lawyer. Like
Do you?
I have a better lawyer.
Like who? Progressive?
Like my cousin.
Like my cousin.
I know, progressive.
My cousin's a lawyer. I can sue you all. No, I can't.
That was the point.
Well, all three of my cousins are lawyers, so try me.
Oh, darn.
Fred.
We're still filming.
Oh, we are. I forgot about that. All right, let's draw Owen's future wife. Ready for this?
Please don't. Oh wait, if it's not me, then that's fine.
They don't know it's Owen. You know your last name.
Yeah.
Owen's,
They just know it's someone named Owen.
Owen, yeah.
Owen Dum Dum.
Stop. I love it. It's so beautiful. Just gotta smear. I'm just gotta smear. Smearing's my favorite.
You're so close to me.
I love smearing.
He's like legit an inch away from my face.
Smear. Smear.
Samir.
Beautiful. It's complete. I love the
Wait,
eyes.
let me add like a little bit. Oh yeah. This is.
No.
Draw the nose. Draw the nose. Draw the nose.
No, remember? Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Can we add a little bit of hair?
What hair? They had cancer.
I want to add a little bit of hair. Ready for this?
No, they had cancer.
Oh, they have cancer. Okay.
I know that's a terrible joke, so sorry, internet.
Sorry, internet. All right, ready for this? We're gonna add a little
Wait, you have to get it into focus. There we. Oh, that's actually a really good focus.
that line. I love that.
That's beautiful.
That line.
That
hairline.
All right, let me add
I
some
love how someone
eyelashes.
stole my pencil.
Let me add in. What would your future wife wear?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Literally nothing.
We'll keep it at that.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
We'll just keep
The
it.
phone turned off. Oh my gosh. This is so weird.
All right, we'll keep it up here so that we don't have to add any other.
We can't see.
He said that his future wife wouldn't wear any clothes.
I never said that.
Owen would like to see clothes all the time.
Whoa, Kaden, you weird.
All right, we're gonna have her wear a towel instead.
No, why can't we make the future wife a guy?
Oh yeah.
Oh jeez.
I already know that.
Oh jeez.
Gotta add the smears.
Okay, perfect. I'll get this back into focus. Jesus loses focus.
All right, you want to be the camera person?
What's that?
Yeah, I do.
All right, I'm gonna add.
Wait, hold on.
I'm gonna.
There we go. Perfect.
So this is probably no. You can't get somebody like that. Let's erase that part.
Oh jeez, that's not good. We're gonna focus on the face right now while we erase a not important part. Yes.
And then his wife. It's quadriflets. What? Those are her legs. We're going to have her legs go.
But it's a guy.
Oh, his. Yeah, you're right.
This is not brown apparently.
Oh. That's not brown. Oh jeez. That's creepy. What the heck?
Thank you.
Did you just say that's not brown, Owen?
Yes.
That is actually sad.
He's sped. Edit that part out as well. Wait a minute.
When you get your pictures,
Let me add a little bit more.
Censored.
if you don't record them in your